Hey, hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is me, Mariam, and today I'm here to tell you how much important word meaning in your life. Do you know word meaning is more important in our life and more essential? If you want to speak English very well, if you want to become a good speaker, much more word meaning to speak. If you use any in your spoken word meaning, it looks your speech look so excellent.
Yeah, wow, right.
And do you know people are mug up the word meaning, but they don't use in their spoken in their speech. It's a big problem of the people. So if you use the word meaning, it looks so excellent, so better. So I think it's most important.
पछतावा, repent,
Simple.
ताबीज,
Amulet.
amulet, नजर लगना,
Amulet.
बुरी नजर evil eye, नजर लगना catch the evil eye, catch the evil eye, मिलनसार,
Affable.
affable, amiable,
Affable, amiable.
okay, right. Extravagant,
Extravagant.
फजूल खर्ची, assertion,
I don't know.
दावे, assertion, satisfaction,
I also don't know this.
bona fide.
I also don't know this.
Okay, very good. Check बहुत बहुत अच्छे हैं. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the quite difficult and tough session for everybody. Actually, who are exciting, who are learning. So guys, did you notice something? People, students, they are facing problem to answer because randomly they are asked. They are going for translate. So this is the tough and also very challenging job. If I talk about the word meaning vocabulary, how you can mug up. So mugging up and memorizing, saving in their mind, mimicking, actually claiming word meaning, this is the quite tough, much more difficult for everyone because this is not easy. You have to collect, you have to elect, you have to save lots of word meaning. We have unlimited. Alright, we have unlimited, countless word meaning we have in this world. So this is impossible to have to collect in your mind, and also you have to answer one by one randomly, quickly, fastly. This is not easy. If your mind is sharp, you are very active, creative, innovative person, now you can face, you can encounter, you can perform well. Because giving lecture, putting lecture, this is so easy. But when the number come, saying the answer of the word meaning, so this is the tough. This is the tough because we are not going for practice. We are not going for practice. We have to answer by using our mind. And main problem is that we are mugging, we are cramming, but we are not able to save for a long time. For a long time, we cannot save in our mind. This is also problem. So if you are going to cram, if you are going to mug up, if you are going to use word meaning, so first number you try to utilize in your proper sentence, in your speech. This is the practical and original use of saving, use of collecting, use of having, use of mimicking actually word meaning in your life. If you are creating sentences, those word meaning, who are you using, who are you now learning in their speech. So this is the easier for you. You can learn in the easiest way. If you are creating one own sentences, this is the simple. Now you can save. But if you are not creating sentence, if you are not using word meaning in your own sentences, so you realize actually this is not easy for you. You can forget. If you are memorizing, if you are mugging up, if you are cramming 100 word meaning, so you are not able to speak say 10 word meaning of 100 out of 100. Why? Because we are not practicing. We are not. Tell me, how do you feel? Actually, do you feel nervous? Do you feel uncomfortable? Do you feel energy less energy? Do you feel anxiety of the speech, anxiety of the right weather, how much tough weather actually this is running, this is going on? So weather is impacting your life, your memory, your mentality, your sense, your body language, as well as your energy. What do you think, guys? Tell me. temperature goes very high. What is temperature, right? Anybody tell me what is it? 40-degree plus temperature going, na? So now you can cowl, you can boil. Actually your mind is boiling. Mind is boiling, and also water is right now. You need water, you need right now. According to Mantasha, what is this that Gulkondi. So this time you have to maintain your body, your physically you have to maintain yourself by drinking much more water, and also na by drinking salty water as well as nebu and santra and kharbuja, right, watermelon and muskmelon, whatever you have, you should take. Otherwise you will have to go to the doctor because you have less of na water. You have plenty of the water in your body language. That's a problem can be created in your life. So now you should take care. You should take. Health is a real wealth. Health is a real wealth. Try to use food, dry fruit. I focus. Food, dry fruits. That can maintain value. That can you maintain very very long young man, very very long smart person. Otherwise you look bude man. Right. So if you want to look smart at the age of 60, at the age of 70, 56 years, guys, if you found, I am recommending, right, I am guysing. If you want something attractive, much more knowledgeable, informative in my video, so please like and hit bell icon to watch, to get latest videos. Are you getting? Yeah? So thanks for listening, for coming, for visiting at my channel. Have a good day. Love you. Love India. Right. And wish you all the best. God bless you. Thank you very much.